Having personally faced the constant struggle of a slow computer and after rigorous testing of countless remedies, I've uncovered multiple effective strategies to restore system speed, and I am excited to share these solutions with you right now. This video will show you how to fix insider build slow performance in Windows 11.26 for good. First, updating your device drivers is crucial because old drivers often cause your computer parts to knock to each other correctly, making everything feel sluggish. Fresh drivers help your system run smoothly by ensuring all parts are communicating efficiently. Next, adjusting your power settings can make a huge difference. Your computer might be holding back its full power to save energy, which means it's not running as fast as it could. Changing this tells your PC to use all its strength. Thirdly, cleaning up temporary files is like decluttering a messy room. Over time, your computer collects lots of unused, temporary data that just sits there, slowing down how fast it can find and use important information. Getting rid of this junk frees up space and speeds things up. Finally, disabling unnecessary programs that start with Windows is vital. Many apps automatically launch when you turn on your PC, using up precious memory and processing power before you even start working. Stopping these apps from launching means your computer has more resources available for what you actually want to do, making it feel much faster and more responsive right from the start.